Welcome back to my channel G3 Chemistry. Today we'll discuss about addition reactions. If you like my channel, please subscribe, share and like. Addition reactions are very important reactions in organic chemistry. Today we'll discuss about addition to carbon heteroatom multiple bonds. And firstly, reduction of alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. What is alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl? This is carbonyl, right? Next carbon is alpha and next one is beta. This is alpha beta unsaturated carbonyls. Reduction using metal hydrides. In alpha beta reduction, the substrate will be alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes, and this is called as an enol. If it is alpha beta unsaturated ketones, it's called as an enone. Alpha beta unsaturated acids, then it's called as an ene acid. Alpha beta unsaturated esters, then it's called as an ene esters. During reduction in the substrate 1,2 reduction, also called as a 1,2 addition. See here 1,2, this 1,2 reduction or addition produces alkynyl alcohol, and 1,4 reduction, and it's also called as a 1,4 addition. It produces saturated aldehydes, ketones, acids and esters. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1,4 reduction. The most sterically hindered enone substrate are more likely 1,2 reductions happens. For example, phenyl, CH3, and here substituents, here also substituents. Use of sodium borohydride, it gives only 1,4 addition and forms completely reduced product, and it's a stereospecific reaction. Sodium borohydride, and it's a 1,4 reduction reactions. It's a stereospecific reactions. Mechanism for this: sodium borohydride, BH, BH4, this carries negative charge, boron. So 1,4 addition reactions will take place. So here formation of O minus, and plus it is treated with HOET. So this O minus will come back and this will abstract this protons and formation of ketones. And again this sodium borohydride will come and attach to this carbonyl group and formation of O minus, and again it abstract proton from ethanol and formation of alcohols. So 1,4 reductions will occur. This is in presence of only sodium borohydrate. To selectively form alcohol and avoid 1,4 reduction, sodium borohydrate reductions are carried out in presence of cerium chloride, and this reaction is called as a litho reduction. It's very important one. If we use sodium borohydride with cerium chloride, formation of cerium tribromohydride. It reduces only 1,2 position. It's a harder base than sodium borohydrate and it selectively reduces 1,2 position. Examples: say in presence of sodium borohydride and cerium chloride and ethanol, it reduces 1,2 positions. So only carbonyl group will be converted to OH. Next one, pH double bond C double bond O CH3, and in presence of sodium borohydrate and cerium chloride in presence of ethanol, it reduces 1,2 positions. The CH3. The next example, here also it reduces 1,2 positions. So in presence of sodium borohydrate and cerium chloride, selectively does 1,2 reductions. Next, reduction with lithium aluminum hydride always results in the mixture of products. For example, lithium aluminum hydride and THF in presence of water. So formation of OH and CH3 plus pH OH CH3. So one is major, another one is minor product. It's also stereoselective reactions. It's 1,2 reduction, and another one is the 1,4 reduction, and this is the minor. 1,2 reduction is the major, 1,4 reduction is the minor product. Addition of Grignard and organolithium reagents. Grignard and organolithium reagents are strong nucleophile, so they usually give 1,2 addition product as a major one and 1,4 addition product as a minor one. Examples: in presence of Grignard reagent are MgBr and ether. Second one is water. So here 1,2 reduction is the major, 1,4 reduction is the minor one. Here 1,2 reduction. This is 1,2 reduction. Carbonyl group will be reduced to alcohol, and this is the major one. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the minor one. 1,4 reduction. So another one example. In presence of organolithium and in presence of pentane solvent and water, here R minus come and attacks to the carbonyl group and formation of O minus, it abstract proton from media and formation of OH, 1,2 reductions will take place. So major plus minor. Major product is the 1,2 reduction and the minor is the 1,4 addition. For minor it's a saturated one. Major is the 1,2 addition reactions. Next, addition to nitriles. The nitrile groups that undergo nucleophilic addition, it's similar to carbonyl groups. R C triple bond N nitrile, and if presence of nucleophile will come and attach to carbon, so formation of R C double bond N minus the nucleophile. Here the nitrile is reduced, they form amines when hydrolyzed and they form amides which are further converted to acids under the same reaction conditions. First one, reduction of nitriles, that is the addition of H2. First we'll take nitriles plus aluminium hydride this will come and attach here. This bond is attached to aluminium. So formation of R C H double bond N aluminium H, and this is H and the lithium Li plus. So another one molecules of aluminium hydride will come and attach to this carbon. So formation of R C H and N Al H3 lithium Al H3, so lithium. So next on hydrolysis we'll have R CH N H plus 2 Al OH H3 lithium. This is addition of nitriles. Hydrolysis of nitriles involves nucleophilic addition of water to nitrile group followed by elimination of a nucleophile NH2 minus. It forms an acid. So for mechanism we'll take nitriles and water. It will form R C double bond O NH2. This is treated with water. On heating it forms R C double bond O OH acids. This reaction is catalyzed by acids or base. Nitrile and in presence of water and acids, so formation of acid RCOOH plus NH4 plus RCN plus water plus base OH minus, formation of R C double bond O minus plus NH3. Mechanism for this: R nitrile plus hydronium ion, that is protonated water molecule. Here oxygen carries positive charges. Lone pair of nitrogen will abstract this proton and neutralizes the positive charge on oxygen. So R C triple bond N, here H, here nitrogen carries positive charges plus water. Here lone pair of oxygens will come and attacks to this carbon and neutralizes the positive charge on nitrogen. So formation of R C double bond N H, and this is OH at H. Here oxygen carries positive charge. Lone pair of nitrogen will abstract this proton to neutralize the positive charge on oxygen. So next here are COH NH2. Here nitrogen, again it carries positive charge. By using this OH bond, we can neutralize the positive charge on nitrogen. So here formation of R C double bond O NH2, formation of amide. And again for this, if you are treat with the water, that is H plus OH minus. OH minus will come and attacks here with elimination of NH4. OH plus NH4 plus. So this is acid catalyzed reactions. Next one, base catalyzed hydrolysis. Mechanism for this, R C triple bond N plus base. We can use sodium hydroxide or any base. So formation of N minus, R COH double bond N minus, and it abstract proton from water molecules. N minus will abstract and formation of OH minus, R COH double bond NH. And next, and here OH minus base will abstract this protons here. So what happens, this bond will come here, and here again generation of N minus, formation of R C double bond O NH here minus. So next, N minus will abstract proton from media, that is water. So formation of amide, R C double bond O NH2. Next, for this treated with water and hydrolysis. So formation of R C double bond O OH plus N NH3. So here addition of isocyanates. Next one, isocyanate N double bond C double bond O. Here isocyanates are closely related to carbon dioxide. Here CN double bond C double bond O unit that defines isocyanate is planar, and N double bond CO linkage is the linear as in carbon dioxide. They are electrophiles and undergo nucleophilic addition with various nucleophiles including alcohols, amines, and even water. Most useful is addition of amines to isocyanates to form urea. Here R N double bond C double bond O plus R dash NH2. So formation of R NH C double bond O NHR dash, formation of urea. Mechanism: we'll take isocyanate, R, N double bond, C double bond O, plus amine, R dash, NH2. Here lone pair of nitrogens will come and attach to this carbonyl group, and formation of O minus, R, N double bond, C, this O minus, and here NH, R dash, it carries positive charges. This O minus will come back. This will abstract this port on neutralization of positive charge on nitrogen. So formation of R, N, H, C double bond O, N, H, R dash. Next one, addition of carbon disulfide, CS2. CS2. Here CS2 is the linear molecules. It undergo nucleophilic addition reaction. Addition of alcohol to CS2 is an important and useful reaction, and this is very important one for the exam purpose. This addition leads to the formation of compound called as in xanthates. Very important one. Having the general formula ROCS2 minus M plus. The name xanthate is derived from Greek word xanthos, meaning yellowish gold. Indeed, most xanthate salts are yellow in color. Xanthates are made by the addition of alcohols to CS2 in presence of base like sodium hydroxide, C double bond S, CS2 plus ROH alcohol, and in presence of sodium hydroxide, the lone pair of alcohol will come and attack here. So formation of S minus. So here double bond S, and here S minus Na plus, and here O R dash, and here we'll take R dash. Mechanism for this: first ROH alcohol plus sodium hydroxide, OH minus will abstract this proton, so formation of R, O minus, Na plus. Next treated with CS2, R, O minus, Na plus. So formation of xanthate, S minus, Na plus, formation of xanthate. And this xanthate forms dependent on the alcohols used. These organosulfur compounds play key role in the two areas, namely production of sulfones and in the extraction of ores. Thank you. If you like my channel, please subscribe.